How to fix Cash App request failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix Cash App's request failed. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the request failed error usually happens when you're trying to request money to someone on Cash App. So why does this happen? We're going to get to the root cause of it. The very first reason why this happens is that you're trying to request money from someone who does not have a Cash App account. So if the person you're trying to send the money to or request the money from does not have a Cash App account, it simply says request failed. The other is you could just be having those application issues. So to fix that, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi and then see which of these solutions will really help solve your problem. If that doesn't help as well, what you might want to do is just go ahead and long press on the Cash App icon over here, then just long press and then tap on the I button. Once you tap on the I button, you'll be taken to the app information page. Then you want to go to storage, clear cache, and if possible also try to clear the data. So once you clear the cache files and data, just go ahead and then open it up and then see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, open up your Play Store, check for the update of Cash App. If it has, then make sure to update it as well. Hopefully this video helped you solve your problem, but as I said earlier, it could be due to that the person does not have a Cash App account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.